Hi, we are in a panel discussion on CARE 2.0. It's about integrating technology and healthcare in Kerala's migration ecosystem. So I'm Dr. Murali B K. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, owner of two hospitals, AI enthusiast, and a consultant in Betser, which is a healthcare aggregator to global Indians. I will start this conversation with an introduction round where each one of you will introduce yourself in just 2 minutes.
I'm Jean John, the co-founder and the Chief Operating Officer of Betser Care. I'm here representing every one of you who is listening to our panel discussion because I'm a second generation migrant Malayali who has gone through pain points of many NRIs, and I know the situation where there is a lot of gaps to be filled in the healthcare in the global space. Thank you.
Namaskaram. എൻ്റെ പേര് Biji Thomas. I'm an engineer. I migrated to Kuwait during 1998 and currently I'm in Dubai. So I'm representing many engineers who are outside Kerala, who have gone to take care of their family, gone for employment and career prospects. Today's panel discussion, I'm thinking about contributing my experience and learnings of how to integrate technology and healthcare into the migrant ecosystem of Kerala.
Hello everyone, myself Shiny Abraham. I have done my nursing course. I'm a second generation Malayali. I was born in Nagpur and still working in Nagpur. But I have an experience of abroad in Qatar over 9 years. I could share many things of abroad as well as after coming back from there, landing up in Nagpur and working as an infection control nurse in Wukhad Hospital. I could share my views to you.
So let's start with a simple topic on the challenges faced by migrant families.
When we speak about the challenges faced by migrant families, can you give me some insight on emotional and healthcare gaps?
Yes, I can. Because I've been working in Qatar for 9 years. So when I got an opportunity from here to go back to Qatar and work, I could feel a lot of difference because it is very organized, systematic, and you can adapt very well because you don't have many challenges there because the system is well organized. So you just have to give yourself and the things work out very beautifully.
My mother stays about 1,500 kilometers away.
So you're a migrant within India?
I'm a migrant. And I know that my mother, even though she doesn't have any major disease, she is hypertensive and she's a diabetic. It's uncontrolled diabetes. Her sugar is always above 300. There are spikes after she eats. And she has no clue what to do with her uncontrolled diabetes. She tried various insulins, even though her medicines are taken care of by the ex-servicemen's, the pension and all.
Security.
But then she needs a constant companion. Can technology be a companion for such people?
Question. Yes, the answer is yes. Technology can be a companion. And loneliness is one of the biggest problems which people are facing. So now I have recently experienced some AI chatbots which can speak like human, and the bot can be trained to be compassionate and caring and listening and understanding in any language which people want, and also they can gently, motivationally guide it towards taking the right next step. And this conversation between the aged parent and the bot or AI chatbot can be easily shared with their children, which they can share with their doctors. They can get opinions, they can get recommendations and confirmations. So yes, technology is definitely a leveler, and also the fantastic thing is that it does not cost much because already the infrastructure for the technology is already there, which is mobile telephone, 5G network. Already it's there. It's just you're connecting multiple people and platforms together.
And I would like to share how I, as a doctor, I have helped my mother who's staying thousands of kilometers away. She is a diabetic, and there is this fantastic device called a continuous glucose monitoring. It's a sensor which is applied to the shoulder or the arm, and it measures the glucose level every second, every minute throughout the day, 24 hours. Now, this data, there are thousands of data that is collected every day. And combined to that, what did she eat? What was her sugar level before having her meals, after having her meals, without that terrible prick that we had to undergo? This continuously monitors the sugar level, and it correlates what she ate, what was her activity, what was her sleep pattern, what was the stress level. This data is sent to me. I then send it to artificial intelligence module, which then makes sense of everything and suggests what I can do to help my mother. Isn't that fantastic?
Excellent.
This is the advantage of leveraging the technology that is available today. And there is one little thing that I did for my mother. See, she had very frequent falls at home. And as a son, I was worried like one day she might fall. She was alone in the house. And if she falls, there won't be anybody to know she has fallen and to help her. I just fitted the AI enabled CCTV camera in her room. If she falls, that triggers an alarm, a notification in my mobile, and I immediately get to know that my mother, who's alone thousands of kilometers, she needs immediate medical help. That alarm is also sent to the nearest police station, the ambulance, and the nearest family doctor. Isn't that fantastic technology? Why shouldn't we all use this technology?
Not sure whether this is very expensive or it is very affordable. Will you be able to throw some light into it?
See, this continuous glucose monitoring, it only costs 15,000 rupees for a month, and 1 month is enough to understand the pattern of glucose spikes. So if you spend that 15,000, you will be able to advise your mother what to eat, what not to eat, what exercises is helping her, or how many hours of sleep is helping her. So the cost is only 15,000. And this CCTV camera that you fit, the cost is hardly 10,000 rupees. And it is a one-time investment. And the AI software is available with us, which is free of charge, and it hardly costs anything. So it is just a matter of awareness and wanting to help our mothers.
I'm getting admitted, I have a unique ID number. So just giving that number itself, all the data is coming. So I don't have to carry my files, registers, and everything to show the documentation. That single ID number, everything is being given, whatever details is required, right from the beginning till the time I'm going for the hospital again, every detail will be there inside. So with one click, it is there available.
See, when it is going to be a global platform, it is difficult. There are challenges. Okay. When you take a very small community of like-minded migrants who want to help their parents. And I think that is the concept, that is the problem you're trying to solve. You have built a platform where this community can be helped by a group of eminent doctors.
Yes.
So you are trying to solve a small problem. You're not trying to solve the whole India's problem. So it's a small community with small challenges which you're trying to solve.
The technology is not what was 10 years back.
Yes.
Today, the technology is like way 10 years forward. What you're visualizing after 5 years is already today possible. So, through technology, our doctors are, especially Indian doctors, hats off to them. They are experienced because of the 1.4 billion population. They have that vast experience in the exposure they have, the various symptoms, the amount of people they come across, due to which they are able to speak case to case. They are able to analyze well. They are able to help well. So, on the space also, they are able to speak to parents, speak to the children, understand through the telemed guidelines. keeping the compliance, keeping all those whatever protocols have to be maintained will be maintained. Same time, they are able to give the guidance.
Yeah.
Yes, this is definitely a change which we are going to see this year in 2024. The point of care is going to shift from the hospitals, from the clinics to the patients' homes.